Ah yes, the hyper-underbone class. Isa itong special segment dito sa Southeast Asian market kung saan nilagyan nila ng overpowered na 150cc na makina ang isang underbone na motor. It's like putting a 100cc engine on a bicycle. You see, hyper-underbones go way back since the introduction of the Suzuki Raider R150, which changed the face of small, boring bikes. Fast forward today and we have a lot of options from different manufacturers already, showing off their take on this special segment. Previously, I mentioned on my hyper-underbone comparison video na bonus na if ever Benelli would launch the RFS 150 and SYM with their VF3 dito sa Pilipinas. And guess what? They did! Benelli launched the RFS 150i recently and I have a review for it that you can check out. And now it's SYM's turn to launch their hyper-underbone. So today we'll discuss an overview about the all-new SYM VF3i 185. So stay tuned and stick around. Let's clarify things first dahil maraming motorcycle races dito sa Pilipinas. SYM or Sanyang Motors is a Taiwanese company with Taiwanese employees. So does Kimco. Technically and historically, they're Chinese as well, but with their own country and government. But they have a different manufacturing practice than the companies from mainland China, as they focus on quality and quantity. And yeah, they hate the CCP government of China. Politics aside, ang tinutukoy ko ay maganda ang build quality ng mga motor na gawang Taiwan, despite na mukhang China bike ito. I think SYM should keep building bikes like this to keep up with sales and paint their brand as a reputable source of affordable quality motorcycles for the Southeast Asian market. And the VF3i is no different. It is manufactured in Taiwan and sent to either Vietnam or Malaysia to be assembled before sending to showroom floors. The SYM VF3i 185 is one of their latest cub or moped bikes. Developed back in 2016 to counter the Honda GT-R 150 and Yamaha Sniper 150, then later launched in 2018 in Malaysia and Vietnam. Maraming naghangad dito pero SYM Philippines did not launch it for some reason. But lately, this week, they had the guts to finally launch the bike despite under the financial pressure from the pandemic. Pag-usapan natin ang makina nito para magkaalaman agad. The VF3i is powered by a fuel-injected 183cc short-stroke liquid-cooled 4-valve single-cam engine producing 17.7 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and a healthy 16.7 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM, governed by a 6-speed gearbox that can reach speeds above 125 km per hour, which depends on your weight and road condition. Since short stroke lang ang makina nito, expect the power band to be tuned for the mid-range and top end. For some reason, SYM's engineers managed to keep the bike's weight low at 128 kilograms, despite having oil, 6 liters of gas, and a bit more displacement. In short, mabilis ang VF3 makamit ang top speed, lalo't short stroke pa ito, and it would not be a problem sa city ride as well. Salamat sa extra displacement, malakas ang torque nito early at 7,000 RPM. Tapos magaan lang ang motor at hindi gaano makapal ang tire size nito, which is similar sa Sniper 150, wherein it will require less inertial force to turn the wheel. Kaya expect mo na mas mabilis ito from 0 to 100. Design-wise, I have to give SYM a thumbs up for the styling of the VF3 dahil hindi ito overstyled or masyadong aggressive, which is a common design practice ng Chinese bike manufacturers. Sapat lang para sa displacement nito. The headlamp has SYM's iconic M-shape. Then going over the front, it is equipped with LED DRLs for a more distinctive presence. Sadly, halogen pa ang headlamp nito. Everything from tail lamp to turn signals are LEDs, except the main headlamp. Aggressive ang styling ng fairing nito. Up until the rear end, there are a lot of lines to see. More lines and edges to be exact, somewhat similar sa design ng Supra GTR. The rear end has a sporty stance since ang pillion foot pegs are connected near the rider pegs. kesa ikabit ito sa rear end kung saan natatakpan ng floating space sa gulong. With the two-step rear fender, mukhang sport bike ang likod ng VF3. SYM really did a good job sa pag-design ng hyper-underbone nila. Everything is proper and not overstyled. Comfort-wise, expected na komportable sakyan ng VF3 since upright ang seating position ng isang moped. Take note, wala itong storage space below the seat. But with the extra space on the front, pwede mong ilagay ang bag sa front cowling nito. Though I have doubts sa extra displacement ng makina, as adding more displacement can cause the engine to vibrate more, unless countered correctly. We can only judge the vibration once we have our hands on to test it out. Hopefully soon. The all-new SYM VF3i 185 was announced this week, and reservations are now open to any SYM branches nationwide. The SRP of the VF3i is around 99,000 pesos. That's almost near the price of the Sniper 150. But hey, you get a lot more displacement and a lot more power. Hopefully we can start seeing these bikes on our road. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more videos every week. Cheers!